Hello students, good morning. Hope you all are well with the grace of Almighty. Students, this is your social study class now. As I have told you yesterday that today we are going to start very short type question answer. You have to answer the question in 1 to 3 words. Okay? So give your attention here. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 words, 3 also. 1. It is the production of food and goods through farming. The question is, it is the production of food and goods through farming. What is the answer? The answer is agriculture. Answer is agriculture. Question number 2. In which type of farming farmers live in fertile land and take up another piece of land for farming? Listen again. In which type of farming farmers live in fertile land and take up another piece of land for farming? The answer is primitive subsistence farming. Okay, the answer is primitive subsistence farming. Question number 3. It is labor intensive farming. The question is, it is labor intensive farming. What is the answer? The answer is intensive subsistence farming. Okay, the question is, it is labor intensive farming. Then what type of farming it is? Intensive subsistence farming. Answer it is. Number 4. This type of farming are the use of higher doses of modern inputs. Listen carefully the question. This type of farming are the use of higher doses of modern inputs. What is the answer? Commercial farming. The answer is commercial farming. Question number 5. This type of farming is practiced on small lands with the help of primitive tools. You got the clues? Primitive tools. Then what is the answer? This is primitive subsistence farming. The answer is primitive subsistence farming. Okay. Next question. Question number 6. When Green Revolution took place in India? When Green Revolution took place in India? Answer, mid 1960. The answer is mid 1960. Question number 7. This season starts from November and remain throughout the winter. This season starts from November and remain throughout the winter. What type of season for crops it is? That is Rabi crops. Rabi. Okay? The season is Rabi. Number 8. This season starts from June and continues up to November. Repeating, this season starts from June and continues up to November. what is the what this type of season for crops is? Kharif. It is Kharif. Answer will be Kharif. Question number 9. The rice bowl of India. The rice bowl of India, that is Andhra Pradesh. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. The rice bowl of India, the answer is Andhra Pradesh. The sugar bowl of India, answer Uttar Pradesh. The sugar bowl of India, its answer is Uttar Pradesh. These all things I have explained to you in the previous classes. 11. The wheat bowl of India, Punjab. The wheat bowl of India, Punjab. Answer is Punjab. Last question, question number 12. Who is the father of the Green Revolution in India? This question is not mentioned in your chapter, but it is very important. It is related to agriculture, and I have mentioned it. I mentioned it in the videos, my video clip, as well as in my explanation. So you have to learn this also. Okay. The question is, who is the father of the Green Revolution in India? Answer, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. What is the answer? Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Okay. So I have given you 12 very short type of questions with answer, and you will write all this in your classwork copy, and you have to memorize this also with spellings. Okay. So so students, that is what for today. The class ends here. Good day.